Today we are going to learn English workshop of the famous poem The Twins. In this English workshop, we are going to learn warming up, margin questions and English workshop. Warming up, chit chat. First, two babies born at the same time are called twins. Guess and share who are. First, triplets. Three babies born at the same time are called triplets. Second, quadruplets. Four babies born at the same time are called quadruplets. Third, quintuplets. Five babies born at the same time are called quintuplets. Second, imagine you had an identical twin, brother or sister, and share with your classmates what pranks you two would play on your friends, elders in the family, and even in school. First, friends. I would confuse my friends by asking things, and when he or she will come to give that things, I would hide somewhere. Then it would be a fun to watch what happened next when my twin brother meets that friend of mine. Second, elders in my family. Though my granny is smart, I would like to confuse her by responding her call as my twin. If she calls my brother, I would go to her and have fun of enjoying my brother's position. Third, in school. It would really be a great fun if I could escape from the punishment because of my twin brother. I would like to play prank not only with my friends but with my teachers. Cup and saucer, needle and thread, birds and beasts, take a risk, sip tea or coffee, hide and seek, etc. These are sets of words that more than often go together and occur together. We call such sets collocation. Insert the proper words from the bracket to form collocations. Afford, time, defeat, clothes, owners, necessary, role, interview, morning, cold. Absolutely, necessary, cannot, afford, formal clothes, job interview, pass time, accept defeat, early morning, catch a cold, leading role, joint owners. When an exaggerated line occur in poetry, they are example of the figure of speech, hyperbole. Example, he has a pea-sized brain. My shoes are killing me. Complete the following examples of hyperbole using words from the bracket below. Horse, lion, death, and ocean, ton, second, help. A. She wept an ocean of trees. B. The hungry man ate a ton of food. C. He runs faster than a horse. I am freezing to death. E. I shall come over in just a second. Margin questions. First, in what aspects were the brothers alike each other? Answer. The brothers were alike each other in form and feature, face and limb. Second, what name did the speaker get? Answer. The speaker got the name Henry. Third, how did the speaker suffer at school? Answer. The speaker's brother always used to make some mistakes or mischief, and speaker was flogged by the teacher. 4. What is impossible in the last two lines? Answer. When the poet died, the neighbors came and buried Brother John is impossible in the last two lines. English workshop. First, rewrite putting the mistakes in the speaker's life in their proper order. Answers are given directly. No one in the family could distinguish between the twin babies. At the naming ceremony, wrong names were given to the two twin brothers. He got beaten up often at school. The speaker desperately asked for guidance. The speaker's bride became his brother's wife. Even in death, the twins were not spared during burial. Second, pick out 4 situations in the lives of the twins, which are too absurd and senseless to believe. Answer. Getting flogged for his brother's misbehavior. Mistaking one for the other. Burying Brother John instead of speaker. Exchanging name in naming ceremony. Third, A. Complete the web diagram. Poet uses humor to entertain readers, create good mood, reduce boredom, make readers relax, light on funny sides of life, and create laughter. B. Write any 2 lines from the poem that you find most humorous. Answer. For somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. And when I died, my neighbors came and buried Brother John. 4. Pick out lines that contain A. Alliteration. In form and feature, face and limb. It puzzled all our kith and kin and buried Brother John. B. Pun. It reached a fearful pitch. Our close resemblance turned the tide. C. Hyperbole. For somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. Second, and when I died, the neighbors came and buried Brother John. Fifth, pick out from the poem sets of words that generally go together. For example, kith and kin. Answer. Face and limb, form and feature, fearful pitch, year after year, domestic life. Sixth, write in your notebook the summary of this poem in about 15 to 20 lines in your own words. You can suggest another humorous title. Answer. An identical twins. The poet shares his bad experiences that he had faced because of his twin brother John. The poet was Henry and his brother John were identical twins. Their body structure, face, and all body parts are looked alike. That alikeness puzzled people and relatives in recognizing. They were twins, but nobody knew who was born a twin. The nurse exchanged 2 brothers while washing them, and in naming ceremony, John got Henry's name and Henry got John's name. In school life, John made some mistakes and Henry always got punishment. This confusion continued in domestic life also, when Henry was about to marry to his intended bride, but she became his brother's wife. At last, when poet died, neighbors came and buried his brother John. 7th, write an appreciation of the poem with reference to all the points mentioned on page 5th. Answer. Check the link of the appreciation in the description below.